Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the motor control board in your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the water supply. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Next, use a T-20 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws securing the rear panel. You will need to use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the panel to the motor control board housing. Using the Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screw to release the power cord grounding wire. Depress the tab to disconnect the power cord wire connector. Next, unthread the screws securing the vibration damper. Set the damper aside. Unthread the screws securing the drain hose mounting flange. Remove the flange. Slide the retaining disc off of the drain hose, and you can fully remove the rear panel. Fully unthread the front screws securing the motor control board. Loosen the rear screw and slide the assembly out. Depress the tabs to release the cover. Note the orientation of the wire connectors, then disconnect them. Install the new motor control board by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Hook the wires under the retaining tabs and snap the cover into place. Align the assembly under the rear screw and insert the front tabs into the holes in the base. Tighten the rear screw. Then thread and tighten the front screw. Reinstall the rear panel by first feeding the drain hose through the hole in the panel. Position the panel on the frame. Then thread the screws to secure. Connect the power cord wire connector and secure the grounding wire to the panel with the screw. Realign the drain hose flange and thread the screw to secure. Slide the retaining disc onto the end of the hose. Reinstall the vibration damper. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.